We're crossing the border today after a year.
Hey,
I think.
can you
Luna, are you excited?
can you focus me the camera? Hey, I'm a marshmallow.
Ang laki ng buffalo jacket. Luna, where are we going? Yeah. O, tignan nyo, we just left our house. Anong oras? 10:46 a.m. ha? Tignan nyo. Kung ilang minutes lang papunta ng border. Just a few more minutes. It's 10:57. So, nakaka 11 minutes pa lang. Siguro a couple of more minutes andun na kami sa may bridge. Oh, eto na. Yung Ambassador Bridge.
Do you remember Kevin was here a long time ago? And
Who? Kevin? Oh yeah, Kevin from Home Alone. In New York, you're right. Yun yung Home Alone 2, kakapanood lang kasi namin. We are going to the same place. Okay, the Ambassador Bridge. One of the busiest bridges na nagko-cross, nagko-connect ng Canada and the US.
At saka isa sa mga una.
Oh, one of the first ones daw, sabi ni JJ. Okay, at alam mo, napapansin ko, ang daming nahuhuli dito ng Windsor Police, yung mga tinatawid yung illegal drugs. Okay. So this connects Windsor, Ontario to Detroit, Michigan. Okay. Oh, time check. 10:58. Oh. Ayun na yung border, natatanaw ko na. Nakita nyo ba? Ayun. Eto na kami! Okay. Siyempre guys, hindi ko i-record pagkausap na namin yung officer. Bawal kasi yun, ha? But, I will let you know what happens once we cross, hopefully without issues. Merong naiinis kasi may nakalimutan kaming gawin. Mag-withdraw ng US dollars dito. Dami ko pa namang US dollars sa bank account ko.
Mas marami
right.
ako. Mas marami ako. Pero, ginawa ko ng peso.
Ay, doon na lang. Wala na tayong magagawa. By the way, since nasa pila pa kami, first time ako nag-fill up in advance nung Form I-94. I did it online. Tignan natin if it will save us some time. In the past kasi, pag tumatawid kami ng US, tapos nakalipas na ang 6 months from our last travel, pinapababa kaming lahat because of me primarily, the Philippine passport holder. Tapos parang kailangan nila lagi i-update yung picture ko doon. Bayad ka ng $6 or $7, tapos lalabas ka na. Sabi nila baka makaiwas kami sa ganun. With this one, ayan, may receipt na ako, yung I-94. Pero online, ang binayaran ko, $30. I don't know why, pero sinubukan ko na lang din. Tapos, ang...
Pero yan, for tourist, ano lang, di ba?
For tourists, oo. Pero kapag Canadian citizen ang nakasulat doon, you only need it if you are traveling for more than 30 days. Parang ganun ang pagkaintindi ko. Anyway, i-research nyo na lang din yan kung gusto nyo siyang i-explore, gawin. I'm wondering if sisingilin din kami nung $250. If you read reports, parang a few months ago, meron silang sinasabi na sinacharge ngayon for non-citizens. Okay? Parang integrity fee ang tawag, $250 daw. Na-refundable yata pagbalik mo. So we will see how that's going to happen. Okay? O, malapit na kami, mga 5 cars away na lang. Next na kami. Okay. Kakabayad lang namin ng toll and ayun, nakita niyo yung sign. Welcome to the USA, Pure Michigan. Okay, so we made it. Pinababa pa rin kami. Pero medyo mas mabilis siya mabait. I think naging helpful yung pag-fill up ko ng I-94. Parang binigyan kami ng special slip.
Tanong mo kung gaano nilaki yung presyo.
Oo nga eh. Ano tawag dito? Kailangan lang nila i-stamp yung passport ko. Tapos, nag-take pa rin ng bagong picture, may fingerprints. Ayun, okay naman. At walang $250 na integrity fee. Ano ba itong mga balitang to? So, yun, no integrity fee. Yung $30, yun na pala yung bagong rate. Ang laki, no? Kasi nga sabi ko sa inyo dati, $6 lang or 7 yung binabayad. Since October daw nitong year, naging $30 na. That's the fee for non-Canadian citizens at least. Ayan. Okay. So okay na. Ano babe? Kinabahan ka ba?
Kung may maiiwan, ikaw lang naman. Kami ni Luna.
Luna, the officers also talked to you, di ba? What did they say? What did they say? Hindi niya naririnig eh. Binati pa yung clip niya eh. Kilala niya yung officer na babae, yung hair clip ni Luna. And I think, Jay, this is the nicest group of border officers na encounter
Yung nasa
natin.
toll, nakarating na raw pa siya ng Angeles. Ng babae yun, pusta-kata.
Oo. Sabi, do you have any balut? Tsaka lumpia. Nakakain na raw siya ng lumpia. Nakapunta na raw siya ng Angeles at Mount Pinatubo. O, diba? Nakipag-checkahan pa kami dun sa border officer. Yeah. So, it was good. O, magbiyahe na kami. Grabe. Tignan niyo yung travel time namin. 9 hours. Siyempre, hindi ko nasabi, no? Pupunta kami ng New York City. We'll be spending the rest of the holidays there. After New Year na kami uuwi. We will be staying with my in-laws. Yan, mga pinsan ni JJ nandun. Mag-meet din kami ng pinsan ko who also lives in New York. Yeah, yun lang naman.
We're seeing friends.
Oh, and seeing my friend. Yan, from the Philippines. Sumato na sa New
And my
York
friend
City.
Linus.
Si Fozzie. Oh, so factory here along the highway in Michigan. Ano kaya to?
Check out the flag.
Teka muna, okay. Stop over dahil hindi pa kami kumakain. Kawawa naman itong bulinggit. Yun. Cleveland. Ito ang first time namin na dadaan from Michigan to New York City. Kasi dati galing kami laging Toronto, di ba? Tapos, ang daan namin noon, Niagara Falls, and then we will cross dun sa border sa papuntang Buffalo. Diba? Tapos from Buffalo, ano ba, babe? Pennsylvania.
Marami, malaki state din ng New York.
Oo, basta yun.
Pennsylvania, mag-New York ulit.
Okay, so this time, ibang mga states naman ang dadaanan namin. Ewan ko, if we still have time to stop over, I don't think so. Dahil anong oras na kami darating ng NYC as it is 9 p.m. na. Pero ang dadaanan natin, una, Ohio.
Which is Cleveland.
Oh yeah, Cleveland.
Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh.
Pennsylvania. Pittsburgh. And then New York State. Yun. Cleveland. Okay, finally, the tunnels to New York City, and this is the skyline, a glimpse of the New York City skyline. May mga resibo namin. Grabe! Okay, time check. 9:25 p.m. Umabot kami ng
Almost 11.
11 hours with
10 and a half.
3 stopovers. Yan, mga
Tea breaks.
wee break, bili-bili ng mga chichirya. Okay, ang tagal namin inabot. Pero, mas maganda yung daan, Jay, for you compared sa
Mga previous
Toronto
trips
to...
natin.
What's this? Toronto to New York. Mas okay yung galing Detroit. Dire-diretso, isang highway lang.
IAT.
It was smooth. Tapos buti, lumipas na yung snowstorm. Hindi na namin naabutan. So, okay na. Safe naman kami. And finally, nasa Queens na kami. Bandang Sunnyside sa mga nakakaalam. Ito yung apartment building ng tita ni JJ. Si tita and her family nandito na siguro for more than 10 years. 20 years. Papasok na kami. Hindi ko alam kung makakapag-vlog ako about immigration-related stuff in the last few days of the year. Or, baka mag-vlog-vlog na lang ako ng mga gagawin namin dito sa New York. So guys, what do you think? I hope you don't mind. But who knows? Maybe an interview comes up tomorrow. But we will see. Okay? Baka mag-ikot-ikot muna kami. Yeah? And enjoy. Sige na, bye-bye na muna. Bye guys! Si JJ lamig na lamig.